If you've ever tried making Belgian waffles at home, you know the struggle. Uneven cooking, batter sticking to the plates, or a soggy center while the edges burn. It can turn what should be a fun breakfast into a frustrating mess. Enter the Ninja Belgian Waffle Maker Pro. This waffle maker is designed for home cooks, breakfast enthusiasts, and anyone who wants restaurant-quality waffles without the headache. It promises crisp, fluffy waffles every time, with minimal cleanup and consistent results, even for high-sugar batters like brownie or cake mixes. From the moment you see it, the design stands out. The vertical layout is more than a style choice. It maximizes the cooking surface so your batter spreads evenly, preventing those uneven, burnt edges that plague traditional horizontal waffle irons. The exterior has a sleek black and silver finish that feels modern and durable. The handle is comfortable, and the entire unit feels solid without being bulky, making it easy to store upright between uses. The waffle plates themselves are non-stick, which is a huge practical benefit. Sticky waffles are one of the most frustrating things in the kitchen, and Ninja's Neverstick technology keeps the batter from clinging. The generous 1-inch Belgian waffle depth means you get thick, fluffy waffles that hold syrup and toppings beautifully, while the vertical design ensures every edge is crisp. Performance is where this waffle maker shines. The 1000-watt heating system distributes heat evenly across the plates, so you're not left with a half-cooked waffle in the middle. The 5-shade settings allow you to customize the texture, from soft and tender to golden and crisp. The exclusive specialty setting handles high sugar or dessert batters without burning, which is perfect if you like experimenting with brownie waffles or cake mix waffles for a weekend treat. Using it is straightforward. The included precision pour cup makes measuring and pouring batter simple, reducing mess and overflows. Audible and visual alerts let you know exactly when your waffle is done, removing the guesswork and preventing overcooking. Cleanup is equally easy. The nonstick plates wipe clean quickly, and the vertical design means fewer drips and mess on the counter. Of course, it's not perfect. The unit is best suited for 1 to 2 servings at a time. So if you're cooking for a large family, you'll need to make waffles in batches. It's also primarily designed for waffles, so while the specialty setting handles dessert batters, you won't be using this for pancakes or omelets. Compared to other waffle makers in the same price range, the Ninja Belgian Waffle Maker Pro stands out for its vertical design and consistent cooking performance. Many traditional waffle irons either stick or cook unevenly, or lack customizable settings, and higher-end options often come a premium. For the price, this unit balances convenience, versatility, and professional-style results. This waffle maker is perfect for anyone who loves breakfast at home, from singles and couples to small families who want a fuss-free experience. It's particularly great for home bakers experimenting with sweet or specialty waffle recipes. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-clean appliance that consistently delivers fluffy, crispy waffles, this is one of the best options on the market today. At the end of the day, it's one of those kitchen upgrades that genuinely makes your mornings better. Less mess, more control, and waffles that actually come out the way you want them. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Like the video if it helped, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.